Hi guys, my name is Arujan and I'm going to be showing you my article on improving the efficacy of lipid nanoparticles using proteins. So the problem is that nanoparticles aren't as efficient after their first use, and specifically lipid nanoparticles. And this is because the immune system becomes used to them after the first essentially trial. And this makes it so that they're only effective on the first use for something like cancer therapy or gene therapy where their normal use is. So to improve this, I use the protein, and here the protein is depicted. This one is the P01889 protein, and it's from the subclass MHC Class 1. And this protein is actually from the immune system, the human immune system, and the genotype is from a human. So this is important because it's also part of the immune system, which means that we can use that to our advantage. Because this protein is part of the immune system, the lipid nanoparticle will not be detected by the immune system because it can't detect a part on its own. This is because the MHC class 1 protein will be located on the outside of the lipid nanoparticle, essentially making an immune shield around it. So here you can see detected is the lipid nanoparticle interacting with a tumor. And here I used AlphaFold to predict the efficiency of this MHC class 1 protein. And you can see here in the center, it's very high predictability. Near the edges, it's a little bit less. Also, I use software PyMol to see what these proteins would actually look like. So these are two MHC class 1 proteins. Here you can see them depicted. And also, I used the fact of the CD47 as a proof of method. Essentially, the CD47 protein is the don't eat me protein, and the function of it is to signal the immune system, specifically the macrophages, not to consume the cell. And it does this because when the don't eat me protein, or CD47, interacts with the SERPA, which is the signal regulatory protein alpha, it essentially sends signals not to eat it. And I use this along with the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which created COVID-19, to essentially make a prototype of MHC class 1 that interacts with the immune system. Although since it's part of the immune system, it becomes camouflaged into its environment. Finally, in my article that's posted on Medium, by the way, I look into challenging considerations, including the fact that polyethylene glycol and the protein, they might be affected in their respective functions because this bonding process to make them into one organism could be rigorous and it could cause damage to the cell. So that's all said and done. So view my article on Medium if you'd like to see more, and thank you for watching.